Today we're replacing this window. It was a special order. We ordered it from a place called Home Outlets. Used to be Surplus Warehouse. And anyway, it's on vinyl siding in a mobile home, and these shutters are going to come off first. So they're square drive. And sometimes they have caps over them, but set that off to the side. As you can tell, there's more than just one screw. We actually took some off before the video started. Okay. Now, guess what? We got a friend. A wasp. Two of them. Alright. I recommend you not do anything on vinyl siding when it's cold, because the vinyl siding will break. So this is not a cold day. Matter of fact, I need to come out of this sweater. So what I'm going to do is take the vinyl siding back from all this area. And in order to do that, I have to unhook it. Now they actually make a zipper, but I can pull this area where it laps over down. Okay, and then I can shove it up a little bit usually. Kind of pulling down at the same time, pulling out. Okay. They got it really tight. Normally you would leave room, or it'll try to warp when it gets warmer because it's expanding as it gets warmer. So that would be called oil canning. So you don't really want to be terrible tight. So it's going to make it hard on me. We get a screwdriver. I'll be right back. That's where that siding would break. I've just pried it off of that lap. Like that. Now I'm gonna take those nails out. So I'll be getting a hammer and a pry bar and pulling the nails out, and then this piece will come down, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm using not one of my favorite pry bars, because this allows me to get in here with like a cat's paw, they call it, and pull the nail out. I'm going to put it right down here where I can find it, because I'm not going to use them again, but I don't want it to get in their lawnmower tire. All right. So as we take these down, I'm going to put them out here on the yard in order that they go back. So they go back the opposite of the way they come up. So here I am. Got lots of room. If I didn't have the room, I'd just put one on top of the other. So now we're going to go to the next one. Should probably get that zipper. But I want you guys to be able to do this on your own. Not have all the specialty tools. All right, and we'll get back with you when we get done so you don't have to see every bit of that. But we're just pulling one loose from the other, and we'll show you when we get it all off. So a lot of times these windows are fastened with screws or nails. In this case, they just use staples. That's kind of a mobile home thing. That's what they have a lot of. You notice there's staples all through here. So they just put this up with staples. So we're going to take the staples out and then get ready for the window to come out. So we'll be back in just a little bit and we'll have all the staples out. This particular one has nails holding the top piece on. So I'm taking those out so I can get around the window. I probably will leave this top piece in its place, but
why are we replacing this window?
what?
It's lost its charge, right?
Yeah, this window was sweating on the inside of the two panes. All right, the window's out. We're going to put the new one in. Already been ordered a long time ago. See you in a bit. Now we're putting the siding back up. Now mind you, when siding goes on, it needs to be whenever it laps, it needs to be the same distance that it was lapped over. You can literally see that difference. So be conscious of the fact that you need to get back to where you were with one lapping over the other. And
Like this? Okay.
Those are where the shutters were at, that discoloration there. But I don't know, we don't have a good example because all these are in between a window and a corner, a window and a window. But wherever you have these laps, it'll be a slightly shiny different color, and you pull it over until it's not. It'll be all kind of a little more faded usually, and plastic fades. So we're using screws, not nails, and we're not pulling it up tight. We're going to leave it where it can move a little bit, and so they can expand and contract, and nails will hold some, but screws hold better. And they don't back out like nails do. So that's what we're doing next, and we'll see you in a little bit. We put all the siding up very carefully. Didn't push it too hard, and it all lined up all the way up. And now we're putting the shutters up, and we'll have a complete job. We'll show you that when we get done. So we've got it all done. Windows replaced. They like the window. Looks good on the inside. We cleaned the little stickers off the best we could, and this is something you can do yourself. And I think what I'll do is I'll find one of those vinyl zippers. I've got one, but I've probably got 2 or 3. I shouldn't have it on the truck. So I will get you one of those and I'll show you how they work. And that way you know what it looks like and know how to use it. Talk to you guys later.